Patparganj derives its name from the word Patpar, meaning barren lands. Once it used to be an agricultural settlement along the banks of Yamuna, but in the late 20th century it saw rapid urbanization. And today it has become a pollution hotspot in the national capital. I am at the Sanjay Van Lake, which is a serene escape from the polluted Patparganj. It attracts many family members, morning walkers, joggers, as well as nature lovers. But in the recent past, the residents of Patparganj have been complaining a lack of maintenance of this beautiful green cover. The lake has dried up and the park is littered with garbage. The residents are demanding for better upkeep and stricter regulations by the MCD.
जैसा अभी आप देख ले गार्बेज वगैरह पड़ा हुआ है और जानवर वगैरह ऐसे घूमते रहते हैं, तो इधर का थोड़ा सा ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता। तो गवर्नमेंट को इधर का भी ध्यान देना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी अच्छे एजुकेटेड लोग रहते हैं, पढ़े लिखे लोग रहते हैं। तो ऐसा नहीं कि वन साइड ही ध्यान दिया जाए।
The Patparganj Assembly constituency is a well-known residential area, housing localities like Mayur Vihar, Vasundhara Enclave and the Patparganj industrial area. Due to its connectivity to key areas like Noida and Ghaziabad, the area struggles with traffic congestion and pollution. Patparganj falls under the Northeast Delhi Lok Sabha constituency. In 2020 elections, Manish Sisodia of the Aam Aadmi Party defeated BJP's Ravinder Singh Negi by a little over 3,000 votes. However, Sisodia faced legal troubles when arrested in February 2023 over corruption allegations linked to the Delhi excise policy case. He spent 17 months in jail before being granted bail in August last year. Will this garner sympathy for the party or hamper AAP's dominance of the area?
Former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia calls the Patparganj constituency a symbol of new education-based politics. And we are standing in front of a government school, which happens to be the first ever government school in the national capital to have built a swimming pool inside of it. And it has been given so-called world-class infrastructure under the governance of Mr. Manish Sisodia. Although we know that his seat has been shifted from Patparganj to Jangpura because of the fear of anti-incumbency, Aam Aadmi Party has now fielded Awadh Ojha, who is a motivational speaker and also a UPSC coaching teacher. Will he be able to fill in the shoes of Manish Sisodia? People living here, they said that they are quite happy with the kind of strides that Aam Aadmi Party government has done in the education field. We can also see a beautiful statue being built right across the school. Definitely the facelift that has been done in this area is commendable, but due to anti-incumbency fear, the seat of Manish Sisodia has been shifted to Jangpura, and only time will tell if Awadh Ojha, who has been fielded by Aam Aadmi Party, will he be able to fill in the shoes of Manish Sisodia or not.
All building structures are gone dead. Our building of tiles are falling on the building, and no proper toilets, no all sewer lines are blocked. We have complaining about 10 to 15 times that have gone to MCD, DDA for the welfare of the society. One is there, DDA Market 1 and DDA Market 2 is near Balco apartment. Same problem, same structure.
गंदगी तो वो जो है वो तो एमसीडी वाले करते हैं, जो इसमें चुनाव में उनका कोई रोल है तो आप वालों का ही, पर वो जो है चुनाव में तो एमसीडी का है। एजुकेशन पर बहुत बढ़िया काम किया हमारे यहाँ मंडावली में। पहले 2 स्कूल अब 3 स्कूल बना दिए और उनकी बढ़िया बिल्डिंग बना दी।
पहले तो शुरू में इम्प्रूवमेंट सुनते थे, आए दिन न्यूज़ भी आती थी, है ना, लेकिन अब तो शायद मनीष सिसोदिया जी स्टिल नॉट वर्किंग ना, आई थिंक।
Awadh Ojha has been fielded.
यस।
While residents of Patparganj appreciate the strides in education under Aam Aadmi Party's tenure, their frustration continues to brew over issues of vehicular and industrial pollution, clogged sewers, poor vendor management, and also the never-ending traffic congestion. While Aam Aadmi Party has fielded social media star Awadh Ojha and BJP's Ravinder Singh Negi and Congress's Anil Kumar keep on capitalizing on the local grievances of this constituency, which is dominated by the middle class and upper middle class voters. With camera person Ritvik, this is Shreya for NDTV.